Okay, you guys, we're in Gillette still, and this is a Frontier Museum, Frontier Auto Museum. All kinds of stuff in here. Americana. Wouldn't that be nice? 17 cents.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
This museum, this collection is the Wandler family collection. Looking at the history. They opened this building in 2016. There's music, just you guys know, there's music playing in parts of this that will get me a copyright strike, so I'm gonna have to try and stay away from this music right here. I can have up to 10 seconds of it at a time. Wow. I want an old car. I guess the dad, Leon Wandler, started this, and with his son, Jeff Wandler, I think is his name. Leon passed away 2004, I believe, and Jeff has done nothing but add to the collection, and they are still adding and buying. Look at this old TV, oh my gosh.
You can see it's actually working.
Oh. Wow. I know it's flickering for you guys, but it's really pretty good for us. Flickering a little bit, but I can see in the back of the GoPro it's really flickering for you guys. Oh, you gotta look everywhere. Yeah, regarding the music, when I quit talking and play my own music, then that's because music is playing here. Wow, look at these old TVs.
Yeah.
Old radios. Very cool. Oh my gosh. A grocery store. Oh my gosh. Old toys. This old boat. I don't see anything that says don't touch, but I probably better not touch too much. You guys know how I like to touch stuff.
Only a couple things are said don't.
Guaranteed to pop. Boy, he collects everything. Everything. We'll go in here in just a few. Oh, Chief. Looking right at you. Looks real almost.
Not a bad one, really.
This is the Cowboy Indian room, I guess. In jail cell. What's Indian doing in jail?
City Roll, Crystal Cabins, 21.
Alright, that's freaky. He's looking right at me.
Here's the buffalo coat.
Hmm?
Buffalo coat.
Buffalo coat.
Yeah, made out of real buffalo.
Alright, here we go. There is a lot of money in here. Hudsons, that's right. That's what I read. He and his dad love Hudsons, and so they restored, I think, probably all these Hudsons. Learn about them here. So you guys can scan that. Yeah, him and his dad restored. They like Hudsons, so these are all Hudsons.
Wow.
Oh no, this is Studebaker.
It's a very tree.
Okay, so I lied. But they do restore Hudson. There's a Hudson there. Yeah.
Similar one in 2019 was sold at an auction for $37,000.
$37,000.
Jeff paid $10,000 for it.
Scan this one too.
I think that's.
Learn about this room.
Oh, okay. Here lies the second town front, featuring a soda fountain, a pharmacy, and a functioning restroom, gun shop, shoe and clock repair, laundromat, drive-in theater. Movies playing all day, every day.
Okay, gotta look at this. Oh, look at that big old boat pickup. Wow.
It's telling me about signs, it doesn't tell me about cars. Like that sign over there was Barnesdale. It's $2,300. This globe sign was bought for or sold for $5,500. That lion one down there is $3,600.
Wow, this is cool. So this is like an old downtown. Right here. Okay, let's go in this. Oh, here's another Dino over here.
What's the Dino ride? So you can,
Wow.
the kid can go in there and ride it.
This is cool. There's a horse over here too. No switch on that.
Push the button. Oh, nothing. Oh, I guess you knows you put the money in and it goes right away.
Yeah. Let's go in the drugstore.
Okay.
There's another one. Yeah.
This one's even older. It looks like this one's just
Huh. I wonder why stores don't have those things anymore. Boy, this is cool. This is cool, you guys.
That's the real bathroom.
Yep. Old sink. Toilet looks new. Candy machine in here. That would be something fun in the winter. Yeah, this drive-in theater, and you guys just saw that. We were just there. Devil's Tower. Another old Hudson here. Beautiful.
Set up for a drive-in theater.
Yep. The old speakers over there. Okay, Leon's Winchester shop. Cool. Lever action 3030, I believe. Yep, he collects everything. There's a door up there. That's quite a first step coming in here from there. Owen's Shoe Service. Oh, look at this. Who would think to collect this stuff? It's awesome. Alarm clocks. Why wouldn't you collect alarm clocks? Movie theater seating. Yeah. You guys remember Close Encounters of the Third Time? Or the Third Kind?
Third kind. Can you actually show it now?
Can I?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe 10 seconds or something. That is a beautiful old Hudson. 1949 Hudson. Missing a saloon though. This downtown's missing a saloon. barber chair. And this is the
Taylor's washing.
cleaner, the dry cleaner tailor shop. Gee, what's this? Oh, popcorn machine. Another one. Dude has some gas pumps. There's that Hudson right there. So that must be his dad, mom, sister. I don't know. That may be him. I don't know. Oil cans. Remember Frank from American Pickers? He's into oil cans. I saw something where I believe he had a stroke, Frank from American Pickers.
Yeah,
A stroke.
I saw that too.
That's too bad. Get well, Frank.
Wow, stuff. I mean, and those.
Hudson race car, Hudson Hornet. Keys are laying there. If you guys look up Frontier Auto Museum and go to their website, I believe you can shop on there too, or maybe trade antiques. Yeah. Look at this old boat. Wouldn't that be fun? Camping. Old Woody station wagon. 41 Plymouth. Well, I guess if you want a collection like this, you just got to start collecting. Let build up over time. Boy, I would want to drive these once in a while. Maybe he does. Maybe he does take them out once in a while and drive them. 71 Triumph motorcycle. There's Mac. Oh, horse-drawn fuel truck or wagon. 48 Indian Chief. Oh, I hope he rode these before, or still rides them once in a while. 25 Harley Davidson. Okay, we got to do this. Where Lisa is. She ditched me. Edsel. 58 Edsel Ranger. Boy, that's a pretty car too. All I can say is wow. Jeep. 73 Jeep Commando. Oh, my goodness. Got a train track. What is this? What that is? Oh yeah, more stuff to touch. How cool is that? This is so great. How you can play with some of this stuff. If you got kids, bring them here. Teach them about history and let them ride let them touch stuff. Huh. All the oil cans. Oh boy, that's a Packard sitting up there. That's a big oil can there. Here's a DeSoto. It's like a Survivor there. Oh my gosh, got old parts here too. Wheel cylinder kit, hydraulic brake parts. Got a bunch of old brake parts here. And then we're back here by the Indians. All right, we're coming to the end here. Punch clock, time punch, time card. Wow.
Wow is right. That was really cool. A lot of great stuff.
Wow,
Interesting.
wow, wow. And we actually just met Jeff, the owner, and his wife, as we were coming out the door. I should have filmed the whole conversation with him. But they're going to actually start some kind of show here that's going to be produced here, filmed here. Kind of like a documentary about what they do, how they do it, fixing something,
Certain items to
yeah,
highlight.
arranging the. But they're going to have 3 episodes, and it's going to be on Amazon, and it'll rent for like $3. Yeah, and it's going to. He said sometime next year, so hopefully that does well for them. They're nice people.
Stores,
Nice people.
There's enough interesting stuff in there that hopefully it will, because it could be really interesting
Oh
with
my
all that he has
gosh,
in there.
what an extensive collection.
Yeah.
But okay, let's go get something to eat.
Okay.